have traveled together, but now you must venture alone. In an embrace, there's no choice but to face the truth we have both always known. I bid you safe passage on this final voyage, though we must part at the shore. Fare thee well, darling, on this bitter morning. Fare thee well forevermore. Cling to me, darling, in this barren wasteland. Must it all come to this? All that remains is a bond forged in fire, and these memories treasured in the mist, in the mist, in the